Holy shit! Holy crap, man! Let me.
Pretty good?
Yeah, it's good. Appreciate it.
Good, man.
Oh, I always forget that.
Did you want to hear the loud note or no?
What's that?
Are you good? Y'all good? You don't want to hear the loud note again?
No, I do. I actually do.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
You shut it real hard, I'll give you the loud note.
Okay. I just didn't want to be too greedy.
Oh, no, you're good. That's what you come to shows for. Have fun.
Every time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No sandbagging.
What's up, man? If you want it loud, lean forward. So loud would be right at the edge of the window. All right, you ready?
Right here?
Yep, as far as the window as you can. You ready? I'll give you full tilt. Yeah!
Oh my god!
Dizzy from that?
I know.
Hello, it's Subs are brand new. It's only 6,000 watts.
Oh yeah.
On 480.
Two broke it.
Okay. Yep. So I just finished the wall build that you already know.
Yeah. 62.
No, man, I wish. That's crazy. Even the 60 with the power I have is the same. Not many people do it. It does 60s on music. I'll give you a thing real quick. All right. Pretty good?
Yeah. It's alright. No. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Pretty good?
Hell yeah. Thank you, man. You don't have to turn on this one.
Really? Okay.
52 speed.
Okay. So, 418s on 6,000 watts.
Yep.
And I don't really play that great power, to be honest. It kind of keeps your budget fine and stuff.
Sure.
But my goal is to get as loud as possible on it, so I'll let you hear it. It's about 2 dB difference from here to here.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right.
Nice.
Pretty good? Good?
Yeah.
I'm still breaking it in. I literally just finished this 6,000 watts on 418s. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That's pretty good?
That bitch squeeze your chest. You got to hold your breath.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Hey. Oh my God. You gotta give me another one.
I'll give you a little low. This isn't loud. Pretty windy a little bit?
Of course.
Yeah. Yep.
Man, them things are moving back there.
Yes, sir. Alright, one more for you.
Holy shit! Holy crap, man, let me out.
Yeah.
Man, let me out. Man, let me out. What? Yeah.
Pretty good? Pretty good?
Yeah.
That's too fucking much. Hell no. I was good until you fucking full tilt.
Woo! Hell yeah,
good?
dude, that's wild.
Thank you.
Man, that's sick.
Pretty good?
Yeah, I think my girlfriend wants to check it out.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Scared now seeing your face. I think I can handle it. Maybe. Hi.
Hello.
Thank
If it's
you.
too loud, you're welcome. If it's too loud, just let me know.
Okay.
You're welcome.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it'll take your breath away.
Yeah, that's what it did.
Yeah.
So, you think my bass is loud?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Since you used the bass. Most people don't. Alright.
Yeah.
Ready?
My vision.
make it blurry.
As soon as I got here, I couldn't see nothing.
You see the difference.
Yeah, it was a
that's
big
why
difference.
most people meter louder on glass. But it's the way the pressure works.
Yeah.
With the quarter wave.
Oh, I noticed the headrest is never as good as
That beats the shit out of you. It's so good though.
6,000 watts. Yes, sir.
So that BC60. Thanks,
Yeah.
man.
Yes, sir.
What the hell?
Pretty loud?
Oh yeah.
Pretty good, man.
Yes. Oh,
sir.
yeah.
Thanks for watching, man.
Not a problem. Awesome.
Awesome. It does pretty good. So 418s on only 6,000 watts.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Last time I heard it,
Oh, it's not that loud anymore. Because it's I had 24,000 watts.
I got a top, I got a 415.
Okay, I'll get a demo in a little bit. You ready?
Yep.
Pretty good?
Yeah. It ain't as bad as the last time.
No, yeah. It's about 2 dB quieter.
Nice.
You
I like
good?
that. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna tap.
Hey, you did good though, but yeah, it does a 61.6 on glass. Headrest is about a 60.
Had a demo before. I want her to see what 160 plus feels like at 4550 if you can.
How you doing? Sorry, it's pretty solid. All right. Okay. Sorry about this. Give me a second.
I'm right here.
Appreciate you, man. I'll catch up with you about the build later.
Yeah, man.
Oh my god.
Pretty loud.
That's the loudest I've ever heard.
Really?
Yeah. Jesus.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.